Okay. So I had this question, so I kind of was a bit confusing the way I read it in PMP reading material. What is the difference between project charter and project scope, right? So here's the answer. The project charter gives uh, defines what the project is and gives and defines the people responsible to doing that project. And project scope is part of the project that defines the parameter of the project. So, for example, if the project is to go and buy two mangoes, the project charter would say something like to make orange to make mango juice. Then the project charter would say something like if a mother is writing a project charter for that project of going and getting two mangoes to make mango juice, the mother would write a project charter that goes something like this. The project is to procure two mangoes from fruit seller A by my son Amit and Vijay. Um, because a mango is very important to make the mango juice, and therefore completion of this project, successful completion of this project is very important. And inside the project there will be scope of the project also defined, and inside the scope there will be definitions such as Amit and Vijay must leave the house at around 3 p.m. They must procure the two mangoes at the cost of no higher than 200 rupees. The and they must return back in 1 hour of leaving the house. If the fruit seller A doesn't have the right kind of mango, they can go to another fruit seller which is within the limits, within say 2 or 3 miles of the driving distance from the fruit seller one. If fruit seller one and fruit seller two doesn't have the right type of mango, then they must return back home. So all these specific parameters of the projects are what are included in the project scope, but the general idea of who's doing what, who are the stakeholders, and what is the ideal results expected out of the project is included in the project charter.